No coffee maker, no problem. Today, get our tail and brewed coffee using coffee drip filter. Fresh coffee bean egg, gagomycinated, good for 1 cup only. First step, let's grind 3 teaspoons of coffee beans using electric coffee grinder. Medium to medium fine coffee grind. Second step, get your empty coffee dripper. Open and place it at the top of your coffee mug. Third step, put your freshly grind coffee inside the coffee filter. Fourth step, slowly pour boiling water on your coffee dripper. Last step, discard the coffee filter from your mug. Enjoy your freshly brewed coffee with your favorite desserts